Where or where should you go and relocate to? Whether you're relocating for a job in a new city or you're just moving away from family, a little bit of planning can go a long way in avoiding the stress and anxiety related to relocation. Hi, I'm Westy with Homes by Westy and eXp Realty. You can't find your things. Boxes are everywhere. Then you've got your children and your pets to add to the list to manage, and it can be an uphill battle. And on the other hand, it can be a time of excitement. Your first step in moving to a new place is to research your new location. Maybe you already have a home lined up, maybe you don't. Either way, research is your best ally before you relocate somewhere new. Find out the options for entertainment and leisure at the new place. If you have children, research school options. If you'll be job hunting, look up jobs and companies online before you move, so you are ready to apply and interview once you get there. Then choose a neighborhood. Try visiting your new neighborhood or home before you move in, or you can use Google Maps to give you a good idea of what to expect of the neighborhood and nearby transit. And finally, plan the move. Moving checklists and labels will come in handy. Remember to label all of your boxes to make unpacking easier and to avoid your essential items getting misplaced. Keeping important documents and personal items readily available, and make eating and sleeping arrangements beforehand. Here's a bonus hint. Let your children decorate their boxes. That way you know exactly where they go and they feel a part of the process. Relocation has different effects on different people, but the process is exhausting for all. Starting over a new place is indeed a challenge and requires patience and determination, but you can do it, and with the tips mentioned earlier, I hope your relocation will be more smooth and comfortable. I'm Westy LaPlante with Homes by Westy and eXp Realty. When it comes to relocating to the Hampton Roads area, I'm a realtor that you can trust. Give me a call even if you're just curious about the area. Thank you for watching this video, and make it a great day.